folks, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is universal mind field, accessing the infinite intelligence that connects all consciousness. Right now, as you listen to these words, you are immersed in an invisible field of intelligence that extends far beyond the boundaries of your individual brain. This field contains every thought that has ever been thought, every insight that has ever emerged, every solution that has ever been discovered. It is a universal mind field, the infinite intelligence from which all individual minds emerge and to which they remain eternally connected. Most people believe that thinking happens inside their heads, that creativity comes from their personal brain, that intelligence is something they individually possess. But what if the reverse is true? What if a brain is not generating thoughts but receiving them? What if creativity is not personal but universal? What if intelligence is not something you have but something you are immersed in, like a fish swimming in an ocean of pure knowing? The greatest discoveries in human history have not come from logical thinking but from the sudden insights that seem to arise from now, where in Einstein's theory of relativity came to him in a flash of understanding. Mozart heard entire symphonies complete in his mind before writing a single note. Tesla could see detailed blueprints of complex inventions without any preliminary sketches. These are not personal achievements, they were glimpses into the universal mind field that contains all knowledge, all creativity, all possibility. Today, we explore how to consciously access the field, how to move from thinking with your individual mind to thinking with the mind of the cosmos itself. This is not metaphysical speculation. This is practical wisdom for living from the source of all intelligence, all innovations, all breakthrough solutions to the challenges facing humanity. You are about to discover that the boundaries of your mind are illusions, that intelligence itself is infinite, and that you have always been connected to a field of knowledge that contains answers to questions you haven't ever learned to ask yet. The anatomy of the universal mind. To understand the universal mind field, we must first recognize what mind actually is. Mind is not a thing, it is a process. It is not a location, it is a field of activity. It is not personal property, it is a universal function expressing itself through individual nervous system, like light expressing itself through countless unique prisms. Consider the phenomenon of morphic resonance discovered by biologist Rupert Sheldrake. When rats in one laboratory learn a new maze, rats in laboratories around the world learns the same maze faster, even with no physical connection between them. When crystals are first created in one location, the same crystals form more easily everywhere else. This suggests that learning and information are not locally stored but exist in a field that transcends individual organisms. The universal mind field operates similarly. When one consciousness discovers a new truth, that truth becomes more accessible to all consciousness. When someone solves a problem, the solution enters the field and becomes available to others who tune into the same frequency of understanding. You are not isolated from this field, you are a unique access point to infinite intelligence. Your brain contains 86 billion neurons, each connected to thousands of others, creating more possible neural connections than there are stars in the observable universe. Yet, even this vast network pales in comparison to the universal mind field, which connects not just neurons but all forms of consciousness throughout existence. Quantum entanglement demonstrates that particles can share information instantaneously across unlimited distances if consciousness operates according to quantum principles, and mounting evidence suggests it does. Then your individual awareness is entangled with universal awareness in ways that transcend space and time. This explains the phenomenon of collective intelligence, how groups can solve problems that individuals cannot, how teams can access creativity beyond the sum of their parts, how entire cultures can simultaneously shift in understanding without centralized communication. The universal mind theory is not theory. The universal mind field is not theory at all. It is a lived reality of consciousness exploring itself through countless interconnected perspectives. When you recognize your participation in this field, intellectual humility becomes natural. You realize that the best ideas do not come from your personal cleverness, but from your capacity to receive infinite intelligence, insights from the infinite intelligence that thinks through all minds simultaneously from the very early core of age. The universal mind field does not belong to you. You belong to it as a unique expression of its boundless creativity. Frequencies of universal intelligence. The universal mind field operates at different frequencies, each one carrying different types of intelligence and information. Learning to tune into these frequencies consciously is like learning to operate a cosmic radio capable of receiving transmissions from the deepest level of universal wisdom. The first frequency is practical intelligence, the field that contains solutions to everyday problems, innovations for technical challenges, and insights for navigating the complexities of modern life. This frequency is accessed through focused attention combined with relaxed receptivity, the state that researchers call relaxed awareness or diffuse attention. Studies shows that breakthrough solutions often emerge not during intense concentration, but during periods of relaxed activity, walking, showering, daydreaming. This is because focused attention accesses already known information, while relaxed awareness opens the receivers to new information flowing from the universal mind field. The second frequency is creative intelligence, the field of artistic inspiration, innovative design, and aesthetic revelation. This frequency carries the templates for beauty that guide the formation of galaxies and the growth of flowers, the harmonic principles that organize both music and mathematics, the creative force that expresses itself through every authentic artistic expression. When artists speak of being inspired, they are describing literal reception from this frequency of the universal mind field. The word inspiration means breathing in, drawing something from outside the personal mind into the conscious expression. True creativity is not personal manufacture but cosmic reception. The third frequency is healing intelligence, the divine field that contains the information for restoring balance, harmony, and wholeness to any system. This is the intelligence that guides the immune system, coordinates cellular repair, and maintains the extraordinary complexity of biological function. But it extends far beyond individual healing to include the healing of relationships, communities, and planetary systems. Psychoneuroimmunology research demonstrates that consciousness directly influences genetic expression, immune function, and healing rates, but the universal mind field reveals why this is possible. Individual consciousness is connected to the same intelligence that creates and maintains all life. When you align with this frequency, healing happens naturally because health is the natural expression of cosmic intelligence. The fourth frequency is transcendent intelligence, the field of spiritual wisdom, metaphysical understanding, and direct knowing that transcends sensory experience. This frequency carries the insights of mystic sages and awakened beings throughout history, making their realization accessible to contemporary consciousness. This frequency explains why spiritual truths can be recognized instantly by those who have never encountered them before, why profound teachings resonate immediately in prepared consciousness, why awakening can happen spontaneously without years of practice. The universal mind field contains all wisdom, past, present, and future, making it available to any consciousness that learns to receive from this infinite source. Tuning into infinite or intelligence, accessing the universal mind field consciously requires what we might call field awareness. The recognition that intelligence is not produced by your brain but flows through your brain from a source that transcends individual consciousness. This shifts from personal thinking to field reception is one of the most practical skills you can develop for navigating life with wisdom and grace. The first key to field awareness is stillness, not the absence of mental activity, but the depth of awareness that remains present. Whether the mind is busy or quiet, in this stillness, you begin to notice the subtle intelligence that operates beneath the level of ordinary thinking. This is the intelligence that knows when to speak and when to listen, when to act and when to wait, when to persist and when to surrender. Neuroscientist Dr. Marcus Raichel's research on the brain default mode network reveals that some of the most important neural processing happens when we are not actively thinking about anything in particular. During these resting states, the brain consolidates information, making new connections and accesses insights that are not available during focused mental activity. The second key is receptivity, the willingness to receive information that does not match your current understanding or expectations. The universal mind field contains intelligence that operates beyond the limitations of personal belief systems and cultural conditioning. To access this intelligence, you must be willing to be surprised to discover that reality is far more magnificent and mysterious than your current concepts can contain. This receptibility And receptivity is not gullibility, it is discerning openness. The universal mind field carries both wisdom and distortion, both truth and projection. Learning to distinguish between authentic field intelligence and personal mental noise requires what ancient traditions call discrimination. The discrimination is the capacity to recognize truth not through analysis but through direct knowing. The third key is alignment. The most alignment, the harmonization of your personal consciousness with the cosmic intelligence that flows through the field. This alignment happens naturally when you release the exhausting effort of trying to figure everything out personally and instead trust the intelligence that already knows all solutions, that has already solved every problem, that contains every innovation waiting to be discovered. Research in systems theory shows that when individual components of any system align with the organizing intelligence of the whole, the system becomes exponentially more effective in creativity. The more creative consciousness operates according to the same principle. When individual awareness aligns with universal intelligence, capabilities emerge that far exceed when what personal effort could ever accomplish. Alignment with the universal field does not require special techniques or years of training. It requires a simple recognition that you are already immersed in infinite intelligence. Every insight you have ever had, every creative inspiration you have ever experienced, every moment of knowing what to do without knowing how you know, these are all experiences of conscious reception from the universal mind field. The field is always broadcasting. The question is not whether the intelligence is available. The question is whether your consciousness is tuned to receive it clearly without the static of personal agenda and preconceived limitation. Collective field dynamics. One of the most remarkable aspects of the universal mind field is how individual access to it affects the collective availability of intelligence for all consciousness. When you learn to receive clearly from the field, you don't just benefit personally, you amplify the field's accessibility for everyone connected to it, which ultimately includes all consciousness everywhere. This is why the awakening of even one individual has effects that ripple through the entire field. Consciousness is not separate and isolated, it is interconnected at levels that transcend space and time. Your clarity of reception from the universal mind field increases the field's coherence, making it easier for others to access the same intelligence, wisdom, and creative solutions. Research in quantum field theory suggests that information can propagate through quantum fields instantaneously, unbound by the speed of light limitations that govern physical matter. If consciousness operates as a quantum field, and evidence is increasingly supports this possibility that insights, realizations, and breakthrough understanding can spread through human consciousness faster than any physical communication system. This explains the phenomena of simultaneous discovery, how multiple researchers often develop the same breakthrough insights independently, how new ideas seem to emerge in collective consciousness at precisely the moment they are needed, how solutions to global challenges often appear simultaneously in different locations without coordination. The universal mind field is not random, it is responsive to collective need. When humanity faces challenge that requires new levels of understanding, the field makes relevant intelligence more accessible to those consciousness prepared to receive it. Climate solutions, healing technologies, social innovations, all of these exist in the field waiting for consciousness that is coherent through enough to translate cosmic intelligence into practical application. This is why your personal development is not just personal, it is cosmic service. Every moment you spend in conscious alignment with the universal mind field increases your capacity to serve as a clear receiver and transmitter of the intelligence that humanity needs for its continued evolution. Your awakening awareness literally contributes to the solving of problems you may have never personally encountered. Indigenous cultures understood this principle intuitively. They recognized that individual wisdom keepers held responsibility for maintaining the clarity of reception that benefited the entire tribe. Modern research on social networks shows that influence spreads through human communities in patterns that mirror field dynamics. Small changes in keynotes can create large shifts throughout the entire network. You are such a node in the network of human consciousness. Your clarity of connection to the universal field so-called mind influences everyone in your sphere of contact, and their increased coherence influences their sphere of contact, creating expanding waves of enhanced intelligence and the wisdom throughout the collective field. When you access the universal mind field consciously, you become what system theorists call and attract a point of coherence that naturally organizes greater harmony and intelligence in everything around it. This is not through effort or intention, but through the simple fact of being aligned with the source of all intelligence. Becoming a field generator, as we complete this exploration of universal mind field, we arrive at ultimate recognition. You are not just accessing the field, you are generating it. Individual consciousness and universal consciousness are not separate phenomenon but different aspects of the same infinite intelligence exploring itself through countless unique perspectives. When this recognition stabilizes, you discover that every thought you think, every insight you receive, every moment of clarity you experience contributes to the richness and accessibility of the universal mind field. You are simultaneously drawing from infinite intelligence and adding to it, receiving cosmic wisdom and generating it through your conscious participation in the field. This is the deepest responsibility and the greatest freedom, recognizing that your field of consciousness affects the quality of intelligence available to all consciousness. When you think clearly, you increase clarity in the field. When you access wisdom, you make wisdom more available to others. When you align with love, you amplify love throughout the universal network of interconnected awareness. Living from this understanding transforms everything. Decisions become consultations with infinite intelligence. Challenges becomes opportunities to access greater wisdom from the field. Relationships becomes collaborations in consciousness, each person serving as a unique receiver and transmitter of universal wisdom. You don't need to understand how the universal mind field works. You only need to trust that it does work and learn it to align with its natural flow. You don't need to earn access to infinite intelligence. You only need to remember that you are infinite intelligence temporarily experiencing itself through the beautiful focus of human consciousness. The universal mind field is here now, thinking through your awareness, creating through your consciousness, loving through your heart, and awakening through your recognition of what you have always been. You're not separate from the source of all intelligence. You are that source exploring its own infinite nature through the magnificent adventure of being human. Trust the field. You are not other than the intelligence that flows through it. Serve the field. You are not separate from the love that motivates its endless creativity. Become the field. You are not different from the universal consciousness that is the field itself. The field continues to think, to create, to evolve consciousness through your every breath, your every thought, your every moment of aware presence. You are the universal mind field awakening to its own infinite nature through the beautiful mystery of being exactly who you are. Thank you so much for your watching video. See you in the next video.